Supplication by Imam Zainul Abideen, peace be upon him. After this praise of God, he, peace be upon him, would supplicate by calling down blessings upon God's messenger.
Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim.
In the name of Allah, the All-Merciful, the All-Compassionate.
والحمد لله الذي من علينا بمحمد نبيه صلى الله عليه وآله دون الأمم الماضية والقرون السالفة بقدرته التي لا تعجز عن شيء وإن عظم ولا يفوتها شيء وإن لطف، فختم بنا على جميع من ذرأ وجعلنا شهداء على من جحد وكثرنا بمنه على من قال.
Praise belongs to God who was kind to us through Muhammad. God bless him and his household to the exclusion of past communities and bygone generations, displaying thereby his power, which nothing can render incapable, though it be great, and nothing can escape, though it be subtle. He sealed through us all he created, appointed us witnesses over those who deny, and increased us by his kindness over those who are few.
اللهم فصل على محمد أمينك على وحيك ونجيبك من خلقك وصفيك من عبادك إمام الرحمة وقائد الخير ومفتاح البركة، كما نصب لأمرك نفسه وعرض فيك للمكروه بدنا وكاشف في الدعاء إليك حامته.
O God, bless Muhammad, peace be upon him, entrusted by thee with thy revelation, distinguished by thee among thy creatures, devoted to thee among thy servants, the Imam of mercy, the leader of good, the key to blessing, who wearied his soul for thy affairs, exposed his body to detested things for thy sake, showed open enmity toward his next of kin by summoning to thee.
وحارب في رضاك أسرته وقطع في إحياء دينك رحمه وأقصى الأدنين على جحودهم وقرب الأقصين على استجابتهم لك ووالى فيك الأبعدين وعادى فيك الأقربين وأدأب نفسه في تبليغ رسالتك وأتعبها بالدعاء إلى ملتك وشغلها بالنصح لأهل دعوتك.
Fought against his family for thy good pleasure, cut the ties of the womb in giving life to thy religion, sent far those close because of their denial, brought near those far because of their response to thee, showed friendship to the most distant for thy sake, displayed enmity toward the nearest for thy sake, made his soul persevere in delivering thy message, tired it in summoning to thy creed, busied it in counseling those worthy of thy summons.
وهاجر إلى بلاد الغربة ومحل النأي عن موطني رحلي وموضع رجلي ومسقط رأسي ومأنسي نفسي إرادة منه لإعزاز دينك واستنصارا على أهل الكفر بك حتى استتب له ما حاول في أعدائك واستتم له ما دبر في أوليائك فنهد إليهم مستفتحا بعونك ومتقويا على ضعفه بنصرك.
Migrated to the land of exile and the place of remoteness from the home of his saddlebags, the walkway of his feet, the ground of his birth, and the intimate abode of his soul, desiring to exalt thy religion and seeking help against those who disbelieved in thee, until what he attempted against thy enemies went well with him and what he arranged for thy friends was accomplished. He rose up against them seeking victory through thine aid, becoming strong in spite of his weakness with thy help.
فغزاهم في عقر ديارهم وهجم عليهم في بحبوحة قرارهم حتى ظهر أمرك وعلت كلمتك ولو كره المشركون. اللهم فارفعه بما كدح فيك إلى الدرجة العليا من جنتك حتى لا يساوى في منزله ولا يكافأ في مرتبة ولا يوازيه لديك ملك مقرب ولا نبي مرسل.
He fought against them in the center of their cities and attacked them in the midst of their dwellings, until thy command prevailed, and thy word rose up, though the idolaters were averse. O God, so raise him, because of his labors for thy sake, to the highest degree of thy garden, that none may equal him in station, none may match him in level, and no angel brought nigh or prophet sent out may parallel him in thy sight.
وعرفه في أهله الطاهرين وأمته المؤمنين من حسن الشفاعة أجل ما وعدت يا نافذ العداء يا وافي القول يا مبدل السيئات بأضعافها من الحسنات إنك ذو الفضل العظيم.
And inform him concerning his household the pure, and his community the faithful, of an excellent intercession, greater than what thou hast promised him. O keeper of promises. O faithful to thy word. O he who changes evil deeds into manifold good deeds. Thou art of bounty abounding,